pocket or to anywhere, so that whatever that's coming out here, you'll be using it to fertilize your garden, you'll be using it to fertilize your farm. So now, because the slurry is no longer the waste you see, it has been worked on by the bacteria, so it has turned into complete fertilizer. So now, so the slurry will be coming from here. Now, when you are filling in the biodigester, there are principles. Principle number one is that the waste must be up to 75% and water 25%. That's principle number one. Principle number two, you must not fill the biodigester with the waste to the brim, so that there will be space for the gas. So that's why we need to fill like half. When you fill half, then the whole of this will be the gas. Then the waste is here, the slurry will be coming from here. So that's that. Now you can see from this point, the gas is already here. So the gas will be coming from here to this container. So this container, like I said, this is just a passage. This container is for storage of the gas. So when it has stored enough gas, then you transfer it to the gas stove. So at the gas stove, you just on and use. So why we are not on it now? Because we have not completed the reaction here. And when you do, it takes 5 days, 7 days, and the more it stays, the more gas generates. So even when we go do for the installation, we do a little test, but we should be expecting the gas to produce after like 5-7 days. So after 7 days, 14 days, and thereabout, you see. And like I said, it is very important that every household should have it, because when once the waste goes down, you fill in again. You keep using. There's no limitation to it. So that's why it's so important. Now, you can ask your questions, but just let's see the principle again, from the biodigester to the container and to the stove. Then at the slurry point, to your farm, to your garden, to wherever. So now, if while we didn't bore a hole here, we should have bored a hole here and put a pipe here, so that we'll be pouring in the waste. But we decided to use this because you can open it and then pour the waste. So if you bring another container that you cannot open like this, but you must make sure that the whole place is sealed, that air is not leaking anywhere, because since it's gas, if it leaks, it's a problem. So then if you're using any other container that you cannot open like this, you must bore a hole, put a pipe, and seal it. So at any time you want to refill